Good evening from London. The FTSE All-Share was trading in the red today, driven by the fear of inflation and the potential winding back of monetary support in America. No surprises that football has lifted not only the morale of the country, but a FTSE firm too. England's semi-final victory last night against Denmark was a double cause for celebration for the owner of Coral and Ladbrokes, Entain plc. Their shares were up 1.9% this morning after reporting that underlying cash profits are expected to beat consensus at the full year. British airline and holiday company Jet2 has reported a huge annual loss of £373.8 million following the impact of coronavirus on the travel industry. The low-cost carrier said it had experienced unparalleled operational and financial challenges, which has seen it refund nearly £1.5 billion to customers since the start of the pandemic. Passenger numbers have also dropped 91%. The firm, which sells package holidays and flights to European leisure destinations, said that its liquidity remains strong at £1.46 billion. The takeaway firm Deliveroo has revealed bumper sales in the past 3 months, with orders jumping 88%. Transaction volumes increased to £1.7 billion, an increase of £100 million from the previous quarter. The group have invested heavily on marketing following its float on the London Stock Exchange and is sponsoring the England men's football team in its run to the Euro 2020 final. Bosses now forecast that the value of transactions through its platform during 2021 will be 50 to 60% higher than last year, at a value of over £6 billion. Shares rose 3% in early trading. Japan has declared a COVID-19 state of emergency in Tokyo that will run throughout the Olympics to try to contain a new wave of coronavirus infections. The move is the latest blow to the troubled Games, which has already been delayed once because of the pandemic, and the preparations have been plagued by a series of setbacks, including massive budget overruns. Organisers are now thought to be considering a ban on all spectators. According to the country's economy minister, Yasutoshi Nishimura, the state of emergency in Tokyo is set to begin on Monday, July 12th, lasting to August 22nd. The Games are scheduled between July 23rd to August 8th. The country has had more than 810,000 cases of COVID-19 and nearly 15,000 deaths. Those are your main stories from London at close of business.